Choose 2 sprites that will tell the sharks what their invention is going to be about.
To choose your sprites, you're going to go down to the lower right corner, and there's a picture of a little cat in a circle with a plus sign. If you click on that, it will take you to a multitude of sprites. So you're going to pick the sprite that you want. And then to get rid of the cat sprite, you'll click on the cat in the bottom, and you're going to click the trash can with the X on it. Now I'm going to add my second sprite, so I click the cat again, and I get my second sprite.
Now that you've added your 2 sprites, you're going to click on the looks button, and you're going to click say hello. Right now the girl on the right is going to say something, so she needs to introduce herself. So she's going to say, hello, my name is Avery. And then Abby's going to come in, and she's going to introduce herself. Hello, my name is Abby. Okay. We also need to add a when flag is clicked button, so I'll put that in there. We'll click the flag, and we also need to do the same for Avery. So I click on Avery, and I'll say when the flag is clicked. Okay, now notice that they talk at the same time. So we need to go to the control, and we'll let Avery talk first, and then Abby will talk. So under Abby's, I'm going to put a wait button. So I'm going to put wait 2 seconds. All right, so now they have introduced themselves. So that is the first part of your script. You need to introduce yourself to the sharks. And then you need to tell the sharks what problem you're going to solve. Avery is going to tell the sharks about a problem that she's encountered. So she starts by saying she's a teacher and she's teaching remotely. Let's go ahead and click the flag and play it. Okay, now notice again that the dialog boxes were overlapping. So let's go to the control button and let's do a wait block. And I think I'll make it wait 3 seconds. Now let's click the flag again. Okay, so maybe now Abby comes in and she says, so I go back to the looks, and she says, as teachers, we wanted to walk around our room so the students could see us. Let's hit the flag again. Okay, so again, we need to put in a wait block. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to put a wait block. I think I'll make it wait 4 seconds, and let's see how that plays. And then Avery comes in, and she's going to say, that's why we invented Drone Roam. And let's play it. Okay, again, it started and we need another wait block in there. So I'm going to hit control and I'm going to come back up here, and I think I'm going to say wait maybe 3 seconds. Let's try it. And always remember to hit save now, because just a second ago I lost some work. So hit save and we'll hit the flag button. And the last thing we can do is add a backdrop. So I'm going to go to the lower right hand corner, and there's like pictures of a mountain. I'm going to say choose backdrop, but I think I'm going to upload my own. We're going to go to backdrops and we're going to click the upload. So there's backdrops you can choose from, but I want to upload like a Shark Tank backdrop. So I'm going to go upload backdrop, and I'm going to get my Shark Tank background. And now I'll move them around. And again, you should hit save now. So now it looks like they're in the Shark Tank. And if we click the flag, it looks like they're pitching their idea to the sharks. Make sure you name your project so you know what it is. So I called mine Shark Tank, and then hit the share button. Once you've clicked the share button, it should say shared, and then I should be able to see it and see us first in the project called An Unusual Discovery that we are renaming Shark Tank. So have fun with this and let's see how far you get. Have a great day.